Hi guys, in this videos we are gonna be checking out the top 10 best bartender kits in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video.
If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below.
Number 10. Bar Social Professional Bartender Cocktail Kit. Entertaining guests with cocktails and experimenting with different kinds of drinks is easier with this bartending kit from Bar Social. Most components have a high-quality brushed stainless steel construction. As a result, looks amazing and is extremely durable, so even if shaker slips off of your hand while practicing a few tricks, it won't be damaged. Number 9. Chemex.co Bartender Kit. No matter if you are a student bartender, an enthusiastic host or a club owner, this bartender kit from Chemex is equipped to suit all your needs. With heavy-duty 304 stainless steel construction that is food grade, your kit won't bend or break. Moreover, it has high-quality craftsmanship that doesn't leave room for leaks and is completely free from toxic materials like BPA. Number 8. Schlottes Bartender Kit. Whether you are someone who is just trying out bartending as a hobby or a professional well-versed with his skills, this bartender kit has all the essential components that you might require. The large 20 ounces shaker is perfect for making one or multiple cocktails. It rather has a 304 stainless steel construction like most accessories on this kit. Number 7. Kozrak Bar Set Cocktail Shaker. Kozrak provides you with an elegant bartender set that has pristine quality and wouldn't disappoint you in any way. All the accessories and shaker that comes in this set is easily stored with the slotted rack that is made from acrylic plexiglass. The turntable stand can rotate a full 360 degrees and gives you easy access while entertaining your guests. With its one-of-a-kind look, it will become the star of your bar table at home or business. Number 6. Super Sun Bartender Kit. With a lustrous silver finish and top-quality 394 stainless steel construction, this bartender kit doesn't just look good, but will last you for years to come. It has a cocktail strainer that has punched holes. That's why prevents pulp or granular ingredients from being poured into the glass. For precise peg or shot measurements, you also get a jigger which has different capacities on two sides. Number 5. Seguin Cocktail Shaker. You can make any cocktail with style and gift your guests an incredible evening with this premium bartender set from Seguin. The shaker tin has a weighted design which allows you to easily spin it for better mixing and has an integrated strainer as well. You also get a wine pourer which makes an excellent leak-proof seal on any bottle. Now, lets you pour wine or liquor without any spills or mess. Number 4. 34 and More Jumbo Bartender Kit. 34 and More provides you not just a top-quality bartender kit for your domestic or professional use, but also gifts you a complimentary ebook, which has around 1,000 recipes for refreshing cocktails. In this set, you get a shaker which is super convenient to use, and also a muddler with a long ergonomic handle. As a result, allows muddling of mint leaves and lime with ease for those incredible mojitos. Number 3. Finadine Cocktail Shaker. This bartender set is modeled after the Manhattan style and has a total of 14 pieces, which includes all the tools you need for running an excellent bar. You get 2 shaker tins with one being 15 ounces while the other doubles that quantity. Furthermore, the two sides jigger lets you prepare refreshingly perfect cocktails each and every time. You don't need to rely on guesswork anymore. Number 2. Brilliant Bartender Kit. Brilliant comes in attractive packaging, so that you can easily gift it to your loved ones for an upcoming anniversary. The stand made from African bamboo is a work of art by itself. It has super high tensile strength, therefore exceeds that of steel, and has cutouts that fit in all the accessories of your kit perfectly. You also get a carrying bag for easy transportation. Number 1. Nozen Professional Bartender Kit. This 14-piece bartender kit has everything that your home bar needs. It has 5 pourers which have a silicone seal base and stainless steel spout. They are compatible with liquor bottles that have a standard size and don't allow leaks or spills while pouring. You also get a Boston shaker of 28 ounces and a 16-ounce shaker cup that matches perfectly and lets you mix ingredients with style.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.